We've just arrived at our tiny home for the next 72 hours, but we are not going to be living here alone. We've got to share this space with this couple of loons.
What?
Wish us luck.
I'm never going to the toilet again.
It's peeing down with rain. I'm trying to eat my dinner. Cheers!
First things first, we need to get that hot tub going. what was I going with that?
We need to think about what we're saying.
We've got to spark it up. You'll see what we mean in 2 seconds. So this isn't any normal hot tub. This is a fire heating one. And you know how good we are with lighting fires?
Look, I've got previous form. I am a firelighter extraordinaire. We are going to get this thing lit whether it kills me or not, because we haven't got any Wi-Fi and we haven't got any phone data. So we'd kill each other if we haven't got a hot tub to get in.
This is all we've got. But I was just saying to Jane, there's a... Don't trip over that.
It's going well.
What I was saying, how good does that look when we're like there and it's going to be dark and the smoke is going to be there and all the steam and...
We're not going to see things like the fire pit, the hot tub.
I've got faith in myself, yeah?
I think that off-grid challenge is sounds good.
As well, yeah.
Don't we need to go and get the bigger logs now?
We've got to wait for this to catch fire.
So sorry.
I think these two are cold.
It is summer, honest. Right, now I've successfully lit the hot tub on fire. Well, not lit the hot tub on fire.
I hope not.
It's burning and it is warming up. It's already warmed up 5 degrees, so it's looking good for us, but we're hungry. We stopped on the way here to get some supplies, so we're going to make ourselves like a version of a charcuterie, because we don't have to cook it and we're lazy tonight. Sharon, you're helping.
What do you want me to do, boss?
Everything.
Everything. We're going to go sit down and you're going to do
Is
it.
that a holiday for me?
Look, I've just had to do the fire under the hot tub.
You can have that one then.
There we go, everybody. Charcuterie is served. Look at that. I'm proud of that.
Nice.
Tuck in, muckers, tuck in. Not you. Cheers. Let's hope we all survive this ordeal.
All right.
Yeah. I'm trying to keep the fire going in the hot tub. It's peeing down with rain. I'm trying to eat my dinner. I'm having a lovely time.
Well, I don't know about you. We're all right, aren't we, ladies?
Yeah, we're fine. Yeah,
You're fine.
We're just trying here.
Yeah, of course it bloody is. So we've actually just been sat out here for a while listening to the sound of the rain, but we think the hot tub is now at temperature, so it's time for go and get the top off and hopefully get in. Jane's freezing.
Hot tub. We need the heat. We need the heat.
Oh yes, look at that. I'll let you all test it first just to make sure it's warm enough before I make my way over there.
It's lovely.
Good. Unfortunately, as it's raining, we can't take you in with us tonight, so we're going to get in the hot tub, enjoy ourselves, and we will see you in the morning. Morning, troops.
Morning. Good morning.
Coffee is served. Oh, so you've already got yourself some breakfast.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
There we go, sir.
Thank you very much.
Right, let's give you a quick tour of where we're staying. Won't take long. Now this is what we have named Piccadilly Circus, because all of these doors all open onto each other, and when you're trying to get out of the bathroom into the bedroom, into the living room, it's just chaotic in here and you end up whacking each other in the face with the doors. But if you come this way, This is our living room, dining room and kitchen all in one room, as you would expect in a tiny home, but it's got everything we need in here. I think we're going to be fairly comfortable, and we love the quirky little touches that are in here as well, like the witch's broom on the ceiling and the little owls that are carved out of tree trunks. It's really, really cute and cozy, so fingers crossed we should be good. And if you follow me this way, this is where the girls will be sleeping, in this tiny little room. Bunk beds, we'll let them fight over who's going to be top and who's going to be bottom. I'm going to bet Sharon is going to be on the top bunk. Always, yeah. And then this is where we are going to be sleeping. Nice double room, just about enough size for me to squeeze down the side to get into bed. It looks cozy, looks comfortable. Again, quirky little features with coffee sacks on the ceiling. I think it's time to hand over to Josh for the bathroom. This is going to be the quickest bathroom tour he's probably ever done.
I wouldn't say it's the quickest bathroom, because actually the sleeper train bathroom was smaller
probably,
than that.
yeah.
But first of all, this door is very...
hang on, we've got a Piccadilly Circus problem.
Yeah.
Bear with.
This door is very dodgy.
So you could be sitting having a poop and the door comes open.
We've learnt if you ram it,
Bit of force.
slam it,
Ram, slam,
You're
shut
fine.
the door.
come on in. And this is the bathroom. Literally, that is it.
You couldn't swing a cat in it.
No. You've got your toilet, which you need. You've got a very cute sink. It looks quite like a nice shower as well. Hopefully it's powerful.
Surprising amount of space in that little cubicle. And then of course, we've got a nice wooded veranda. Some of it's covered over, so that's gonna be good if we get any rain. And then to one side, we've got the hot tub, gonna be making full use of that. We've got a little fire pit as well. And of course a barbecue, I'm sure we're gonna be doing that. My fire pit fell victim to the weather, but we've managed to fight our way through the rain to cover the hot tub, and I've got a fire roaring under it again because obviously it's lost some temperature where the rain's poured into it and the lid was off. The girls have made us a drink, hot coffee.
Cheers.
And we're all sat out under the cover, listening to the rain, hoping it stops.
Cheers.
Okay, so we've retreated from the rain and we've decided it is dinner time. Tonight, we're making pizzas. This is my masterpiece. That is Sharon's. Explain yourself.
I'm not guilty. Well, I am guilty of making it, but I didn't realise it was going to be like whoop whoop.
As long as it comes out the other side looking nice and it's tasty.
He's hoping.
Oh,
Look at that bad boy.
I am starving.
That is a job well done.
Oh, love. Oh, that looks profesh, that.
Oh, thanks. So after our pizza last night, we actually decided to get back into the hot tub, but poor Jane was the one to get in first and ended up nearly burning her leg off because it had reached 50 degrees because of that fire I'd lit under it. So we managed to get it to cool down a little bit and chill out in there for a while. But I've decided today, as I've been the one to light all the fires, keep the hot tub going, do the dinners and everything, they're cooking breakfast this morning. That is their duty because I will be doing a barbecue later. So I'm going to sit and watch them crack on. How's it going, Sharon?
You got me slaving away, cooking your breakfast. I don't know, I'm supposed to be on holiday.
Well, so am I, and I've been doing everything till now, so it's right, you take a turn.
Oh, okay.
Well,
then.
I thought all of you were going to help, but you seem to have been defaulted into the...
No, see, I don't mind cooking.
What's on the menu?
We have sausages frying at the minute, so we're going to do some fried eggs, bacon, mushrooms, and we're going to have some pancake waffle type things.
Is it ready yet?
No, wait your turn.
I'll go back to bed then. Night.
Night. Here, Jane,
Hey,
get a kettle on.
won't suit me.
Oh, thank you, madam.
Oh, you're welcome. I hope it's all right.
Yeah, me too.
I'm trying to get them mushrooms in there.
I'll come out your way.
Tell me to move, I'll let you move.
Let's get them. Can I borrow that? Sorry.
3 people operating in one tiny space.
Nailed this.
We've got a good system going.
Oh dear.
Don't laugh at me, eggs. Oh, you've made wonderful eggs, Sharon.
What's that one?
I know.
It looks like a shooting star.
Where's the rest of it?
Hope you like your bacon, well done.
I'm fine with that. I love a crispy bacon.
I love crispy bacon.
Crispy.
And I love burnt sausages as well. not saying they're burnt.
Well done, Sharon.
Well done.
It's only taken you 4 hours.
What? It hasn't taken that
Breakfast for
long.
lunch.
It started at what, 8:30?
8:30. It's now
10 o'clock.
10 past 10.
I feel like I'm worked for the Toby Carvery here for their breakfast service.
I feel like I'm on hunger strike. So this is the reality of 4 people living in one tiny space with no storage. There's just stuff everywhere. So we've had a much more chilled day today, just making the most of our last full day here in the lodge, just chilling out, relaxing a little bit. We've just been to the supermarket to pick up some supplies for our barbecue tonight, and we stopped off at this cute little dairy farm and treated ourselves to a really delicious milkshake. Oh my god, it was so good. And even better, they had farm animals there. We saw some goats. Jane's happy because she saw some sheep, which is one of her bucket list things when we come to Somerset. She wanted to see a sheep before we went. Now she's done it. We're just going to spend some time in the hot tub chilling out before it's my duty again to light the barbecue. I feel like I just smell of smoke. Like, all I've done this weekend so far is light fires. I've just lit another one under the hot tub. Hopefully it's not going to get as hot as it did last night, but I've just seen James put her leg in. It looks like it's okay. I think it's all good. How are we doing?
Spliffing.
Is it good?
Well, good.
Beautiful.
Well, good.
Simmering nicely.
Hopefully this will be the first time we get in this hot tub and it doesn't rain. Every time we've got in here so far it's rained and it's looking a little suspect, but fingers crossed.
Okay, so we've literally just been in the hot tub.
And it didn't rain.
It didn't rain.
It didn't rain for the first time.
The temperature needed to be a little bit warmer.
Yeah, so I've lit a fire under it. Hopefully it doesn't hit 50 degrees like it did last night, and we can get back in it later. But oh, I thought that wasn't going to go very well then. Barbecue time.
Fire her up.
Okay.
It's quite a nice big barbecue this. We also rescued a spider.
I rescued a spider. You wouldn't go anywhere near it, let's face it.
Well, no, but
You noticed it.
well done for rescuing him and
Thank
saving
you.
him. He is now in the wilderness, up there somewhere. I'm starving.
Food. Feed me.
Well, the wind stopped now, but literally as soon as we lit the fire, well, barbecue, it's not a fire. Well, it is a fire. You know what I mean. Big gust of wind,
There's been no wind all day.
ash everywhere.
Well, apart from yours.
That's a bit rude.
At least it doesn't look like it's going to rain. Oh,
Oh, here we go. Here we go. It knows.
it'll be fine.
It knows.
It'll all be fine. Although, when the 4 of us are together, we do have history with barbecues.
Oh my god! What the hell?
One side, sunshine. Other side, angry looking big black cloud.
This keeps happening to us.
Even though it wasn't forecast,
No.
we checked the rainfall radar and it was raining in the area.
We'll see. I mean, last night we got in there and it torrentially poured it down, and then we had a massive thunderstorm. We had to get out, obviously. Today's not meant to have that.
And the barbecue's lit. It's outside. Looking good there, Jane.
I'm getting warm.
But we can wheel it under there if we need to. I'm hoping we don't need to though, because it's just about ready. Looks like a successful barbecue.
Rub-a-dub-dub, get in my gut. I don't know where I was
So
going with
elegant.
that.
Nothing burnt apart from maybe some hairs on my fingers. Nothing's on fire. It's all good. And
Nailed it.
the rain's stayed off. So all good. We got Bolly. It's all good. It's all good.
Good in the hood.
Bon appetit.
It's beautiful. Thank you very
Well
much.
done for
Chef.
cooking. Thank you.
Chef.
We're them annoying neighbours.
If you can't tell, everybody has been very excited for this moment. We have some strawberries.
can't wait.
You've been making me wait for so long.
I mean, it had to melt. It's not our fault. Anyway, we've got some strawberries, we've got some marshmallows, we've got our sticks, we've got some melted caramel, we've got some nearly melted Mars bars that Josh is saying is perfect, but we don't think it's quite there.
That was really nice. The strawberries are really sweet, delicious.
Thanks for your review.
Oh, that's so good.
Really good.
Okay, so I literally went to go to the toilet. I came out of the bathroom, and this is what I was greeted with. Brace yourself. Literally. Start then.
Hold a second. Ding, 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 ding.
Dong dong. Ding 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 ding. Dong dong.
Ding, 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 ding.
Dong dong dong. Ding 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 ding. Dong.
As you can see, I'm never going to the toilet again. Because you lot, it's that sugar. No more chocolate.
That's before a drink and all.
This is before we've had any Prosecco, can I add?
Oh, jeez. Right, let's open the Prosecco.
Come on.
I think I need
I
it.
need a drink.
Right, do not shake it, do not pop it, do not break a light. Oh, don't aim it at me.
Don't aim it at me. Don't aim it at me. Yes.
Cheers.
To tiny homes, cosy living, being stupid, and laughing till you dribble a bit away.
Oh,
Cheers.
Swallow. Good morning.
Morning.
You're welcome. He didn't say thank you, but
Thank you.
warm.
Yeah. Can I miss this view?
Well, there is a view if you look up.
It's a nice view.
It is a nice view. But
Birds chirping.
the sun's coming out.
And now we're leaving.
Now we're leaving. Sod's law.
Yep.
But it's fine. It definitely rained overnight.
I want to get in the hot tub.
You still can, but we're showering now.
Well, we have had an absolutely amazing time here. We're very sad to be leaving, but it is time for us to go. We've survived 72 hours living in a tiny home all together. If you want to see another one of our tiny home experiences, then click this video here and come and spend 48 hours with us living in a Mongolian yurt in the Cornish countryside. We'll see you over there.
Bye. Bye, hot tub. I'm going to really miss you.
See you later.